My dear friends, you wake up in the morning and the first thing you feel isn't energy. It's heaviness in your legs, in your hands, in your chest. Your heart beats, but it feels like it's doing so out of obligation, not strength. You sit up in bed and say to yourself, this is probably just age. It's normal. But a voice deep down wonders, is this how I'm supposed to feel for the rest of my life? Let me tell you right now, no, this is not how your story ends. This is not your normal. Because what you'll hear today may change your health, your energy, and your future. Starting from your kitchen. This is not just another video. This is your wake-up call, your invitation to reclaim your vitality, one bite at a time. Welcome to Level Up Wisdom. If you're over 60 and determined to live stronger, longer, and with more purpose, you're in the right place. Please subscribe to our channel now and tap that bell, because every week we share powerful, science-backed ways to take control of your health naturally. And if this video resonates with you, please like and share it. Someone you love might need this more than you know. Now, let's begin this journey together. Every 36 seconds, someone dies from heart disease or diabetes. That's not just a scary number, it's a sobering truth. These conditions are quietly stealing life from millions of seniors across the world. And the scariest part, most of these deaths are preventable, not with drugs, not with expensive treatments, but with food. Yes. Your plate is either a prescription or a poison. It either drains your life or restores it. But most people were never taught how powerful food can be, especially simple, everyday foods that can heal your arteries, balance your blood sugar, and protect your heart. And today, I want to walk you through 14 of the most powerful healing foods for seniors, including one special onion recipe that some doctors are now calling a natural elixir for reversing insulin resistance and inflammation. 1. Kale, the artery cleaner. Let's start with the green warrior, kale. Kale is not just a trendy food, it's one of the most powerful allies your heart and blood sugar could ask for. Rich in soluble fiber, kale helps pull bad cholesterol out of your body before it ever has the chance to clog your arteries. It's loaded with sulforaphane and flavonoids, two anti-histamine compounds proven to reduce blood vessel inflammation, a key cause of heart attacks and diabetes. Eat it steamed, chopped in salad, or blended in a smoothie, but whatever you do, make it part of your weekly diet. 2. Avocados. The heart's creamy protector. Next up, the buttery fruit that surprises everyone, avocado. Rich in monounsaturated fats, avocado helps lower bad LDL cholesterol and raise the good HDL type. But here's what's even more amazing. It improves insulin sensitivity. That means your body handles sugar better, reducing the chance of spikes and crashes. Plus, avocados have more potassium than bananas, helping to naturally lower blood pressure and ease stress on your heart. 3. Strawberries. The sweet shield. Think strawberries are just dessert? Think again. These little red gems are bursting with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that lower inflammation and improve insulin resistance. They also have a low glycemic index, meaning they won't spike your blood sugar. Vitamin C. Fiber and that natural sweetness makes strawberries one of the smartest choices for protecting both your heart and metabolism. 4. Walnuts, the nut of life. One handful of walnuts a day can make a huge difference. They loaded with omega-3 fatty acids and magnesium, two nutrients that help keep your heartbeat steady and your arteries relaxed. They also help reduce arterial stiffness and improve cholesterol levels, all without a pill. 5. Yams, nature's glucose regulator. If comfort food could be healthy, yams would be the star. Packed with complex carbs that digest slowly, yams keep your blood sugar steady instead of spiking. Even more impressive, they contain diogenin, a plant compound that reduces inflammation in blood vessels and supports hormone balance. Eat them roasted, mashed, or cubed, and let them work their quiet magic. 6. Garlic, the artery whisperer. Garlic is not just for flavor, it's medicine. Its active compound, allicin, helps widen blood vessels, lower blood pressure, and improve insulin sensitivity. Just 1 clove a day can reduce inflammation throughout your body and support your immune system. And your heart. Crush it. Let it rest for 10 minutes. Then cook it. That's how you unlock its healing power. 7. Apples, the skin-on savior. They say an apple a day keeps the doctor away. They weren't lying, especially when you eat it with the skin. That's where the quercetin lives, a flavonoid that reduces blood pressure and protects artery walls. Inside, the pectin fiber slows sugar absorption, keeping blood sugar and cholesterol stable. 8. Broccoli, the detox machine. Broccoli is your body's internal cleaner. Rich in sulforaphane, broccoli activates detox enzymes and reduces inflammation in your arteries. It's also full of vitamins C and K, helping strengthen blood vessels and prevent calcium buildup. Steam it lightly, and your heart will thank you. 9. Oranges, the artery softener. Oranges, with the pulp, offer more than vitamin C. They contain hesperidin, a natural compound that improves blood vessel function and flexibility. Thus, the fiber helps slow sugar absorption, keeping your energy stable and your heart pressure low. Avoid the juice, eat the whole fruit. 10. Oats, the breakfast healer. A bowl of steel-cut oats in the morning is like a soft massage for your arteries. Thanks to beta-glucan, oats lower bad cholesterol and prevent blood sugar spikes. They also keep you full, reduce snacking, and support weight control, which is vital after 60. 11. Almonds, the small but mighty nut. Almonds offer healthy fats, fiber, and magnesium, all essential for heart and blood sugar health. They reduce LDL cholesterol, support insulin sensitivity, and protect blood vessels with vitamin E. Just a small handful a day, raw and unsalted, makes a big difference. 12. Purple grapes, the brain-heart connector. Purple grapes are rich in resveratrol, a compound that reduces oxidative stress and supports both your heart and your memory. They improve circulation, reduce artery stiffness, and protect against strokes. Eat them with the skin on for maximum benefit. 13. Black beans, the blood sugar stabilizer. These humble legumes are a diabetic stream. Packed with soluble fiber and plant protein, they keep blood sugar balanced and support muscle health. They also offer anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that protect blood vessels and fight inflammation. 14. Lemon, the silent detoxer. Lemon alkalizes the body, reduces inflammation, and boosts vitamin C, which strengthens your arteries and improves blood flow. Even better, when added to meals, lemon lowers the glycemic index, making your whole plate healthier. Start your day with lemon water. It's a tiny habit with a big impact. The star of the show, the onion recipe that changes everything. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. A simple, warming onion recipe that's been called a natural elixir by nutritionists and wellness experts. Here's what you need. 1 red onion, thinly sliced. 1 TSP, turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon extra virgin olive oil. Pinch of black pepper. 1 TSP, apple cider vinegar, optional. Instructions. Warm the olive oil in a pan. Add the red onion and saute for 3-4 minutes until slightly golden. Add turmeric, black pepper and vinegar. Stir for another minute or 2. Serve warm as a side over toast, rice or veggies. Why it works. Red onion is rich in quercetin, reducing blood pressure and improving insulin function. Turmeric contains curcumin, one of the strongest anti-inflammatories on earth. Olive oil offers heart-protecting fats and antioxidants. Black pepper boosts the absorption of turmeric by 2000%. Apple cider vinegar balances blood sugar and aids digestion. Eat this dish at least 3 times a week. Seniors have reported clear thinking, lighter legs, and better energy in just days. The deeper message: your healing begins today. You see, your age is not a sentence, it's a season. A season to grow, to reclaim, and to reawaken. You are not here to fade quietly. You are here to rise boldly. And sometimes the most powerful medicine isn't in a bottle, it's in your kitchen. It's in your habits. It's in your belief that healing is still possible. Start small, 1 meal, 1 dish, 1 healing bite at a time. If this video gave you hope, a new idea, or just reminded you that you're not alone, please leave a comment below. Let me know what's spoke to you the most. And don't forget, hit that like button, share this video with someone you love, and subscribe to Level Up Wisdom so we can continue to walk this path of strength, health, and joy together. You deserve to feel good again. And it can start right now in your own kitchen.